Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the male urinary system and endocrine gland and the urinary bladder. We also study the blood supply and innervation and the lymphatic drainage or venous drainage of the urinary system. You know very well, in a urinary system a pair of bean-shaped organs are called kidneys and a pair of ureters which carry the urea uric acids waste product from kidney to the urinary bladder, and this is a urinary bladder. Now we dissect the kidney. We see the number of renal pyramids present in each kidney, and these number of renal pyramids contains the nephrons, which are the structural and functional unit of the kidney. They filter the blood and excrete the urea uric acid or waste products into the minor calyces, and these yellow points are called minor calyces. Minor calyces follow to the major calyces, and major calyces follow to the renal pelvis, and renal pelvis follow to the ureter, and ureter goes to the urinary bladder. And urinary bladder is a muscular sac which stores the urine. You also see the pair of endocrine glands, and these glands are adrenal glands present above the each kidney, and these are the adrenal glands, also called suprarenal gland. If we isolate the adrenal gland from the kidney, they look like this, and this adrenal gland has adrenal medulla in center and adrenal cortex is outer side. These glands secrete some mineralocorticoid or some mineralosteroid hormones releases into the blood. Now let's we talk about the blood supply to the kidneys and lymphatic drainage and nerve innervation to the kidneys one by one. Now firstly we will talk about the blood supply to the kidneys. So this is the arterial supply to the kidneys, and this is major is the abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta goes downward and divides into the common iliac artery left and common iliac artery right. And the branch, small branch is the renal artery that goes to the kidneys. Now let's we talk about the venous drainage to the kidneys. Now you see the blue colored venous drainage to the kidneys. These are blue colored structures are veins. This is the inferior vena cava. They divides into two. This is the common iliac vein right and common iliac vein left. You clearly see this. This is right common iliac vein and this is left common iliac vein. And this is the left renal vein. This is the right renal vein. Now we see the nerve innervation to the kidneys. Now you see the nerve supply to the kidneys. This is the vagus nerve. This is the vagus nerve. Vagus nerves follow to the superior mesenteric ganglion. These are superior mesenteric ganglions, and then they follow towards these renal right plexus or renal left plexus. This is a simple kidney, ureters and bladder structure. If it is combined with the blood vessels like arterial blood supply, venous drainage and nerve innervation, they look like this. You see, this is the combined structure of the arterial, venous or nerve innervations of the kidneys without fats, look like this. Okay, thanks. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.